Day 19, taxes. Why are you paying more than you owe? It's fine. It's adding great ambiance to this. It's the mosquitoes I'm mostly worried about. A common refrain I hear from people is, I'm getting killed on taxes. But when I ask why, common answers include, because I make too much money, or the government, or because I don't have enough passive income, whatever that means. But the next question that I ask is a little bit more telling. Are you paying more than you owe? You see, we love griping about taxes, but we've really done little to determine whether or not we're actually paying only what we owe. So how can we make sure that we're only paying the amount that's on the tax bill and not leaving a tip? First, you can always hire someone. Now, good tax preparers are a little hard to come by, so we might have to think a little bit creatively on how we might work with them. For example, right now we're in the tax off season. Maybe see if somebody can do a post-mortem on your previous year's tax return. See what they can find. Maybe they give you reason to refile your taxes if it means a little bit more money in your pocket. Second, if you haven't learned already, understand the basics between what's a tax deduction and what's a tax credit. This is the kind of basic 101 stuff that they don't teach you in school, but we really need to know about if we're going to make better educated decisions about our taxes. A tax credit knocks dollars off your tax bill. Your child is a credit. A new electric vehicle is a credit. Your child's daycare is a credit. A tax deduction lowers your taxable income. But it's not a dollar for dollar reduction in your taxes. That's what a tax credit is. Your mortgage interest is a deduction. Your self-employment expenses are a deduction. HSA contributions, they're a deduction. Finally, look for a financial advisor. I know, it's a bit self-serving, right? But think about it just for a second. When you hire a tax person, they're looking at what happened in the past 12 months. But we as financial advisors, we're not just looking at the last 12 months, we're looking at the decades to come. I still care about what happened in the past, but I'm looking at future opportunities. We care about paying as little in tax as we are required to over your lifetime, not just trying to take care of short-term advantages. Your tax prep works best when you're not only just looking at the past, but also looking forward. Having a tax preparer that's helping you report on your taxes and a financial advisor that's assisting in looking towards the future opportunities, that's what builds the trust that you're going to need to make sure that you're paying what you owe in taxes and not anything more.
Can you weave these guys into a B-roll, Colin?
Yep, it's happening right now.